In this video, we will learn how to respawn in custom games in Fortnite. So in order to respawn in custom games, meaning games that are not by Epic, so firstly we'll head into a custom game, left click on a custom game, then click on the play button. Now let's wait for our game to commence. So now as you can see, we are in the custom game, and we can easily respawn in a custom game through the settings menu. So before respawning, I'll just move up a few area. After that, we need to click escape to go to the settings menu. From here, we'll need to click on the button below settings button. So the three bars. In here, you will find the respawn option. You need to left click on it. Then confirm your respawn. After confirming your respawn, after a few seconds, you will be respawned. So this is how you can easily respawn in custom game in Fortnite. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.